I got another Kelly. I got another Kelly. Oh my God. I have no words. I got another Kelly. Compelling me a Kelly worked a little too welly. Actually, technically I got two Kellys. Well, this and then this Kelly Messenger from the store, Kelly adjacent. But this is a proper Kelly. So let's unbox my newest Kelly. This is from my newest Quota bag from my latest Hermes trip to Paris at the beginning of the year. Surprise appointment, surprise bag. I didn't think I was gonna get an appointment and I didn't think I was gonna get a bag. I just got lucky again. So let's unbox. And I'll just do the quick unboxing right now with a little bit of story time. And I'll do the full unboxing with everything in a separate video and the full story of the appointment, okay? So stay tuned for that. But today we're just gonna do the unboxing, okay? So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique. And today we're doing a quick Hermes unboxing. My Kelly bag, my newest Kelly Quota bag offer that I got in Paris. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. You guys, I got another bag! Oh my God! I got another Kelly. I got another Kelly! I have no words. I cannot believe it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Okay. So I went to Paris to go pick up the Louis Vuitton stuff and I guess I am doing a little story time, but whatever. Anyway, I just went to Hermes to pick up some stuff from Hermes.com that I did a whole video about, but I thought I would ask, and luckily I was able to get an appointment. I had an appointment. I asked, as you guys know, I have my mini and I have my 25 that's Cellier, and then I have the 32 that I got at Sotheby's, okay? The Cellier 25 is beautiful and I love it, but it is very formal and I just don't feel like I can use it for every day. And I wanted a Kelly for every day, crossbody that I can wear. And you know, the 35 is a little big, the 32 is a little big too. So, and the 30 is a perfect size. The Birkin 30 is a perfect size. Kind of wanted that, but in the Kelly form. So I thought 28 would be the best, but I also was open to a 25 Retourne because 25 Retourne is a little bit bigger than Cellier, just a little more give. I wanted a Retourne. Long story short, I wanted a Retourne. I wanted a little more everyday, casual, smaller Retourne, 25 or 28. So I asked for that, brought out a bunch of options, 3 25s. I asked for a neutrals or green, Retourne, 25 or 28. And I said I also really, because in that last appointment and Andrew's last appointment, you got offered the box and the Barania. And I said I would be really open to a box or Barania, but it has to be Retourne because I wanted something that's a heritage leather, a little, I can use every day, but it's gonna like just be like my bag, like my wear. Like I've been wanting a Kelly 28. I've been wanting a beat up box Kelly for a very long time, but I just can't get myself to pull the trigger on any of the used ones I find. So it's like, I just want to get a new one or Barania, okay? Because that Barania one, the 35 that we saw, I was like, okay. Anyway, this story time's getting very long, okay? So there were some box ones, but there was a box Vert Fonce one that I really wanted, but the other essay took it right before he could. So the lady next to me was actually trying it on, which was like very frustrating because I was like, ugh. But it was Cellier. So it's a little more stiff and a little more formal. Again, box Retournes are very hard to find. There are vintage ones, but they don't make them as much anymore. Like I said, I was open to that. I'm getting a little lost in my thoughts. So my essay brought out a 25 in bamboo with palladium in Togo, which was beautiful. A 25 Swift in biscuit with palladium, also beautiful, neutral, green, neutral. A 28 Barania in gold hardware in fauve. And I when I said Barania, I had said I want a bean. I wanted a bean because it's like this dark, rich chocolate. And I thought it would be really, really nice. But there's only 2 colors for Barania and they're both very rare. They're only 3% of the bags ever made. So I was like, okay, fine. I'll be open to both. And then the 4th one they brought out was in Caban, 25 Togo with palladium and 2 straps. And so the one I picked, whoops. Don't look at that. So after much debate, if you know box sizes, you can probably tell based on the options I just told you and what's the option right here. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. The smell probably will give it away, but I went with, can you guess? Yes. Guess. Yes. I'll give you a second to guess. Guess. Did you guess? Did you get it? Did you guess? Did you get it? Okay. I went with the 28 in Barania Faubourg leather in the color Fauve. This is just literally the perfect everyday bag. Good size, not too big, not too small. Smells amazing. It's gonna show patina and wear over time and get beautiful. It's already got these lines and like stuff like that. It's just perfect little addition to the collection. I love. It would have been 2025. It would have been good to get a 25 for 25, but I went with the 28. Looking ahead to the future. Oh, okay. What do you guys think? I love it. I love it. And I put this strap that I bought at the airport on it, which is this kind of a tube with gray, because I'm going to use the tube strap because it's longer, and the strap that comes with this, while great, is too short for crossbody in my opinion. So, oh my god. Okay, that's all I got. I love you guys. This is so exciting. I'm so happy. Are you happy? I'm happy. This is so amazing. Okay. Thank you guys. Okay, I'll do a full unboxing in a little bit of everything that I got. But it's not that much more. I got a second bag, the messenger, the airport one, and then 3 other little things from Hermes.com. But I'll do this separate video, okay? You guys, so fun. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your because I know it's time's valuable and it's precious. So I appreciate you spending your time with me. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay.